Off the script nga tebantegese balensaba okwebaza Pepe Busi Akenjawolo for always being there for me in every way. I am so grateful, I am so humbled. Ebedambuza mbuno namusasula ki munanga kyayagala abasajja tebasiima abasajja tebasiima
Anonya wavira wanaleme kunsiima abasinga mwana tubagala nnyo ennaku z'omwezi ga 17 Novemba tugende tubagire Mami King bakyali bange ab'omugeto mwenna gye muli Nabulagala Nankulabye Kiyaye Kasubi Kisenyi Bwayise Kawempe Nakiri tubagire Mami King naki ate nange luli eriwe manzizeera mundabiranga
I'm okay, how are you guys?
Kongs okuba nti ogenda ku having your first concert in life.
Thank you, and thanks to my sponsors, Victoria University, Galaxy FM, Outstabet, Afrifix Adhesive. Who else?
Okay.
Okay, so I thank Dias.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Carol. Abantu abasinga bade balowooza nti no wali okozeko concerts wazilanganga. So what does this concert Jokola right now mean to you?
This concert means my breakthrough. It means I am breaking out as an artist. I know I've had a breakthrough as a musician Munyimba. I've never had a breakthrough as artist to call a statement. Mono Karuka Sita is there, and Tambla Bagamba Karuka Sita is Karuka Sita, Karuka Sita. Like I needed to punch my name into the industry, not because my music I sing in Nyariango Bunene. You can find that my songs are everywhere, but my face and my name are not as far as my music is. So I'm putting my face to my music.
Your music. Over the world with the music industry. Tukulabyeko, you first had a duo. Everyone most time to yagala like
yeah.
Where is that girl?
She's there, but netagala mogerako iswise byogerako.
Would you invite her na jia before, because going down the memory lane, because it's your concert
by the one part the idea. I don't know if she would do it, but I'm going to invite her. Wakati yafuka hajat yaja kujanga yamba dech binti che ne sharia, and we'll see if she will give you a chorus or two. Ngena mubuza.
How was the duo called?
Cash O2.
Cash O2. Cash O2 checha bavira ko you guys to split.
Like I said, she yadda mubulambula she got a man and her life changed. I so I continued with my studies. Sina chamanchali really infeiro kubambo no I'm dying. Newe namalo kusoma nengamba naye watches to music seriously. So ninsala wonkole music seriously, and now here we are.
Okay, we're going through your life kutoka kuchino concert, then ogenze komo before S&S tukulabako mu battle yaba Ready and Weasel ne Bebe Cool. Oli backstage go bachiya.
That is not true.
Video nga mulimo ne Ted.
That is not true. Battle ya Bebe Cool ne Radio and Weasel, it's one battle I missed, and I feel bad because I missed. Kana yegamo okola gananga n'abantu era radio bwe yafa nali mu band. Radio bwe yafa ne wenafuna ekirowoozo nti olumu olinokola ebintu nga obikola you as a person. radio when I salawo unvene mu band and I do my solo career, and I knew that the world was now about, everything was about me. Yes.
Joining us on this band, that was when Roji joining salawo dino gamba kantani kokola cover song.
I joined band in 2015 Ngamaze campus, and I was in the band for paka 2018 ngegwako bonakola my song Galababo eya soka ne hitinga mukao. It was a good song ya hitinga. That's how I made the mudras kat mudra nampandikira yaka hausadda mabega. No. Okay,
well, fast forward tukoze battle one tukulabye Kongo yambako Cindy tumubalanga omukuba bade mu career yo, because every time waberanga ku rumors, was it every last Friday in the month ngajana kwegata?
I love Cindy very much, and I respect her so much. I respect her so much. But still wambuzake mabegambu wayiga ki ku Radio and Weasel naye go buteteekanga mu ntalo ezitali zange. That battle was between Sheba and Cindy. There was not any Caro in between there. I love Cindy so much, but I have no reason as why I should choose between two great female artists. Sina and Songarawachi Mbangamba Nonde Komo. They are both great, and Bonabo Namba respecting her. Though I love Cindy more and I respect her a lot, but Sina and Songarawachi Kubumbimba Nonda Komo. Tewali Nsonga Bona Sibaina Kobusibu. And we are in this industry, we are all fruits. Imagine Sheba is an apple, imagine Caro is a pineapple, imagine Cindy is a banana. Bulomo also look at no the nana, see no the pineapple, no the apple, you can love all of us at the same time. Why should I choose Muzendia Apple Yoka?
Okay, the audience was Eringela Bago Asula Cosmuino Yimba to Wako, Eringela Bago Asula.
Sam Sulao, to be sincere, Sam Sulao. And we just didn't rehearse our song. I got a booking for a show outside Kampala. I won't be able to make it to the battle, and she knew it. We communicate. There's no way I could ride back to Kampala and I find the battle. I would not send it to somebody.
We're looking at your relationship with Fefe Bose everywhere you go. Watu sana kulanga show yengo chalange yo kwa status zo that tuzirabanga kuliko show ya Fefe Bose, and everyone achali mukali wanka if you guys really are in a deep relationship etuka kwejo, oba it's just a stunt, a musical stunt you eri okutambuza music in.
We are in a friendship relationship.
Yeah.
We have people friends and they are relating.
Yeah, your relationship with Jobera Munga, just friends nayenga you kwe picha over.
No, ngamwe supporting.
How?
Ngamwe supporting anga.
So friends with benefits. Wakole akazungu kaise wala sikati.
Tunuze mu camera kugambe ye bwamuyita.
Agambye of benefits nende osachira ndi bade with.
Alabika damu answer ye bwayita Fefe ye nga ye. Relationship. It's so deep.
So deep. Your friendship.
Management yani.
Igwe never manager bewe.
Nganya.
Tujambo Fefe yabali tokwawukananga owuliriza nnyo Fefe nga tokyawuliriza manager.
Nze ndowooza era omuntu obanga okola decisions niwe nandibadde nga ye yandeetera singa yali yandeetera tewandibaddewo obuzibu sincerely, because era omuntu obanga mukwano gwe omwebuzaako n'agamba okiri bwe kiti bw'abanga oba kugeba tutowaba, but si yakikola si tasobola.
What's the direction of this relationship between you and Fefe?
Direction?
Ekwatawa. You understand what I'm asking? What's the direction?
Kati efuuse nga career mutuzimba nzimbe.
The relationships are built.
I don't know. Only
who's benefiting from who?
It's a beneficial one. I didn't know. We're just being friends to each other at that time. Buloma inachayamba kumone at this moment. Yeah.
Tubalabanga muri ku live budde bwakiro muri ko ku live ku TikTok na wala bakonga muri ku live nga mukubembe ku
nawe solo kusa ku live
da nyabo nga busimo romwe
mutekeyo ana ine simu yange
romwe ekiro uzibye
n'ekiro solo kujja ne nkuteekayo ddala sesikulinako buzibu
Let's go into dive into the concert. What's the expectations?
I am going to give
You
you
are
the
a
best.
performer. What are expectations?
I am going to give my fans the best of Caro. Not the best because I still have more, but I'm going to give you a good version of Caro Casita. And you not. We've seen shows, but you've never seen Caro Casita's show. You've never.
There's a problem under
Banga ku muntu amanyi kyokka n'arehearsinga nga atamanyi. Okitegedde ekintu ekyo?
There is a problem in the public abantu gye basinga okufuna nti mufa nnyo okutulaga stage ne mutuwa mediocre work. Ne mutukola ebyakabi stage simanyi gundi then we mujja mu okuperformera ne mutuwa mediocre work.
I think nzemu nengamba tolaba nk'omuntu ng'akimanyi nti waakabi ng'akuba naye n'arehearsing. I've rehearsed for nze namaze band rehearsal zange right now. Zamaze. Nazimaze because nazitandika dda. I've rehearsed nga ninga atamanyi. I've used my band gye nkozesa bulijjo naye ate ninga yakoseza band like kunyonyola entya. I've rehearsed Dias. I've rehearsed and I'm going to give my fans the best.
Amba akupeeko omwana omulala.
Ebyo mwana ebyo musoka mbirako ebintu by'okuzaala temala babipapira temala gabinyumyanyumya mu bantu bootu tebaaliyo kwole yasooka ebatuleke
ate abataliyo bannyonnyodde nti ayagala mwebaza namwana.
Si kye ngambye Dias osala ekigambo osala ekigambo
wakubuza anonya wataasi
osala ekigambo
wegalamongerayo ka baby ka king
ndeka ka queen nkozi
tukalinde after eno show
after show adasneka.
Okay, I'll call out your fans 17th November.
All my fans out there mbagala nnyo banaye mbagala nnyo namwe munjagala nnyo ate nkimanyi 17th November please gula ticket yo kati sagala obere bali ogere musmani natuse wajjudde kubanga ticket ziri kugwayo for us to sing 17th November alibadi ya mtwalo ogwo bolwawo bwana amanya.
Are you going to perform live your boy
Ibra. Your boy Ibra.
Are you going to perform live over ogenda just tukuba just dance to veil?
Mwagala nkole ki? Okweyambula kyonja kikola ekirala ki kyoyagala? Sigenda kuyulika ngoye, sigenda yulika ngoye. Kuno sigenda yulika ngoye ku stage, I promise. Kuno nakosezza mutunzi wa kaya mwita basi, KSDV mutunzi wa kabi, era sigenda kuyulika ngoye ku stage.
Wajira mu boxa ya fefe wo okutama boti pyu.
Tayari ya fefe.
Wali mununga. Wali mununga omwagala.
Dakika moja kwa
sawa 11.